Hi FamBam. Um, I know it has been a very, very, very long while since I posted a video, and I know that you guys are asking me. Some of you are asking in person what happened to the videos and if I'm not post nothing. Yes, I will be posting soon. I'm just trying to sort out some things and some aspects of my life, and then I will do such and provide more videos for you to watch. I know it has been a very long while, and I apologize for that. Sometimes I forget for video, and I when like the day done, I say, girl. But so start back. I've not forgotten you all. I love you all who have been sending messages and asking what is going on and what's going on. I'll also update you guys and let you know what is taking place. And try to provide more content for you guys, uplifting, spiritual, and all these things. So take care, FamBam. It's all love, and go with Jesus, go with God. And take care.